We will revise the formula for MODE.SGNL and median. Mode is the number that occurs the most frequently in a given set of data, and median is the median number in a set of data. Let's see how it is used in this practice. So what is the average age of all the members? We use the average formula. And the number that we want is in these cell ranges. So we drag them down and it will give us the cell ranges. And what is the age of most students? The most frequently occurring number is MODE.SGNL. So we will use this formula, and the cell ranges that we want is from B20 to B30. And this will give us the age of most of the students. And the median age of all members, we use the median formula, and the cell ranges are here. And this is how we get the average, mode, and median. That's all for now.